morning everybody. So today what we are going to do is, on last episode we talked about that being spoking out too much and it will not fit lug nuts because my OEM lug stud is too short. Finally got me an extended one, so we are going to install this, and this is like week before the drift event, and it's very running late. I like to say I should have done that long ago. Other day we actually, very sketchy, the gas pedal being stuck. We finally found the issue on the other day. We did it very quick, but it was very nightmare issue that going on. That check on the other video to find out what happened. But anyway, what we're doing today, again, putting this on, and we are going to put brand new oils on the engine, and we should be able to load my car into the trailer so we can go drifting next week. Alright, so I got my tires off. I'm gonna put jack stand now underneath. Actually now I gotta change the tires too. Baleno we just received. So we're gonna do that anyway. So we're gonna put on jack stand and leave it there for next week. But what we're doing now is we gotta take the caliper off. Gotta take the this guy off and take the little brake last that kind of sat for like almost a year now. Take those off, and we're gonna get to the regular stud. I was like, wait, these are extended, but never mind, these are the actual spacers. So I'm gonna take this spacer off and then get this stud out so we can change that now. Alright, so I did struggle a little bit to take off the caliper bolt because I did a good job Loctiting it so it doesn't get loose. So I did a good job on that. It was really good. It was really on there, like how I wanted to. Now, I'm gonna change the stud, but I just noticed again it's lasting a little. I'm gonna sand it quick, prep it, just paint it a little quick like I did. So, it doesn't start lasting crazy more, but that's what I'm gonna do quick, and then change the studs. Right, so now I'm gonna punch that wheel stud out, and then put new one on. So I got one of them out. I'm gonna clean it up a little bit, and then I'm gonna install the new one. So these are the OEM studs I just take out. These are the extended one, so it's kind of like a little bit extended. So this way I have more sled, so that when I have a slip-on spacers, you still have enough bite on the lug nut. So that's what we're doing. We are going to put it on. So once I put it on, what I'm gonna do is, so you're gonna use the spacers lug nut, and then we're going to put it like this, right? And then we're gonna impact all the way until the end of it, get crash each other. So that's what we're gonna do, and we're gonna do that all the way around. Actually, one thing I forgot to mention was you can't just use the lug nut and go all the way, because on the let me just take it out. Then you see how there is gonna be a little spacer, so this is gonna come in as you tighten it, right? And then the lug nut will finish here. So you kind of need like any kind of spacer basically. I just happen to have this cheap ass dual ass socket, and I don't care if I ruin that or whatever. So what we do is gonna use the impact, and basically this will, as I impact this down, this will go in. So that's the plan that I have. So you really can't find anything really at this point. So yeah, basically you want to be as fresh as you can get, but honestly here like a little bit like off like this, I would just, it'll be fine, because by the time you lug up the car and the wheels, you know, you tighten it all the way and torque it down, this will move it fresh. But most just make sure you can get to as close as you can, at least it's not like loose, you know. Then now what I'm gonna do is we're gonna put the brake loaders back on and put the caliper back on, and actually I'm gonna paint one more time. I just painted it once, but do one more coat and then put it back. Alright, so I got extended like nut finally after all that work. So we're gonna put this slip-on spacers. We're gonna do it on the other side and see if that actually helped. That's all I need on the spacers. So now I can do that, and I can put the wheels. I have lug nut to thread onto. So alright, we're gonna do the other side and we'll be back. So I just figured before I do this side, I'm gonna, you know, get the bolts loose on the drain oil plug, get all the oil draining while we change the other side. So I'm gonna do that first, put new oil, change the oil filter while I'm doing this side. So that's what we're doing. I don't think I'm gonna film this side because they basically the same thing what I exactly did on the other side, and then obviously I'm not gonna really film me changing oil, so I'm gonna do that. So I'll be right back. Yep, that's why you change your oil. It's very nasty. Believe it or not, I think this is like 2 events in and sat for a year. So make sure you change your oil. You know, you don't want to be sorry because you didn't change oil. So I personally change oil every other. That's probably too much, but try to do it as much as you can, because you know, I know oil price went up and high, but it's more expensive if you blow up your engine, so let's not do that. Alright, so it's time to put the new oil, all drained and nice. Gonna wipe it out. Going to change the new Nismo magnetic drain plug on. Just overkill, but just put it on, and I'm gonna put new oil in. So everything is all set. Put new oil now and going to check for leaks, and I should be ready to go for drift event next week. Alright, oil is in. I'm gonna check for oil leaks again, but gonna start the car so you can get the car going on the oil and check for the leak again. Car runs and ready to go for a drift event. Check the oil leaks. There's no oil leaks like usual, so ready to go. And it's finally season opening next week, so I'm very excited. I see you guys soon, and thanks for watching today. And make sure to subscribe, you like it, and comment on the below. Thank you for watching again.